Hi, I've just been asked to do a video on my website here. So I'm going to hard refresh. Um, so what I'm trying to do right here, yeah, what I'm trying to do here is I've got the calendar for Google and Outlook. So what we need this for is if we go to the freelancer directory, and then we go on myself, for instance, we want to add them to the projects, make sure that everything's added. We put in a description of any kind. We can upload folders and um, pictures, whatever, and then submit to the board. So when we sign in, we're consenting to the terms and conditions here. Um, we log in, and once we log in, we go here to the login, and it successfully logs in. Okay, and what we need it to do is go to the calendar. So we've got the Google Calendar, and we want to try and connect it so that we can try and override things in our existing calendar. So we go to that and continue. You can see that we've got 5 services that we need access to, and we needed to trust it. And what this does is it will come up as yeah, as you can see, it's not configured from the Google Cloud Console, and that's what I need more so than anything. So we can see the calendar and then see all the events will pop up here of what a calendar kind of looks like. So if we have a look at this here, you can see that there's nothing going on in my calendar. But if we go over to my business calendar, you can see here that I've got a lot of stuff. So all this day and all these will be published as a user inside of my website here. um, and it will be published here. So that way we know what days projects are supposed to finish, in terms of the Kanban board that we're using. So as you see here, we've got a Kanban board and it needs to have a deadline. That deadline needs to show up in the calendar, and that's about it. So we need that to work in order for this to be seamless and integrated with Google Calendar.